Hello friends. In last three videos we discuss about the physiographical division of India. It includes the northern Himalayan mountain region, the northern plains, the peninsula region and the coastal plains. And today we are going to discuss the last physiographical division of India, and that is the group of islands. My friends, when we see the map, we didn't realize that how the group of islands are there in India and what is their importance. My friends, India has near about 1208 group of number of islands, and these number of islands, they are the part of marine islands as well as the river islands. But broadly, if you see this map, then we come to know that India includes some coastal group islands and some river islands as well. But beside that, India has a two large group of islands, one each in Arabian Sea and the another is in Bay of Bengal. So these islands, the islands which are in the Arabian Sea, they are known as the Lakshadweep Island, whereas the islands which located in the Bay of Bengal, they are known as the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. My friends, let us see one by one. So first of all, let us concentrate on the islands which is located in the Arabian Sea. My friend, the islands which we find in the Arabian Sea, they are known as the Lakshadweep group of islands. And in Lakshadweep group, there are total 36 islands. Among these 36 islands, only 10 islands are inhabitant islands, and rest of the islands there is no human beings that we find. The important characteristics of these Lakshadweep islands, they are atoll. Now, what is atoll islands? Atoll islands, it means the island which is being covered by ocean outside, whereas inside as well. So this is one image of the island that we can see. So all these islands are atoll. Majority of the islands, they are atoll type of islands that we find in the Lakshadweep group of islands. The another characteristics of the Lakshadweep group of islands, that most of the islands, they are corals, coral reefs and coral islands. And that is why for environment, these islands are very important. These are very small islands, and their height is also very low, and that is why many times they may be a part of oceanic water as well. Their height is very low, and these islands that we can find in the Arabian Sea. So this is the Lakshadweep group of islands. Second largest islands in India, that is we may find in the Arabian Sea, and that islands is known as the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. My friend, when you're talking about Andaman and Nicobar group of islands, they are 572 islands. Total in Andaman and Nicobar group, there are 572 number of islands. Most of the islands, they are the volcanic islands. While discussing Lakshadweep group of islands, we see these islands are the coral islands and atoll type of islands, whereas the Andaman and Nicobar islands are the volcanic type of islands. Volcanic type of island, it means the island is formed due to the volcanic eruption, and that is why we may find these are the islands. It means these are the actually the mountain ranges are there, and the top of the mountain come out of the ocean, and in this way the Andaman group of islands is formed. So this Andaman has, our Andaman and Nicobar group has a 572 group of islands. Mainly, they are volcanic and large with the hills. The interior parts includes an island is called some of the islands that we can see, barren islands, for example. Barren islands is a very important part of Indian group of islands, because barren island is the only active volcano in India, and these islands we may find here in Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. All they are volcanic islands because of the volcanic eruption they form, and this is one of the identity of this group of islands. So two types of islands. India has a two type of island. That is the island which is in the Arabian Sea and the island which we may find in the Bay of Bengal. The group of islands we find in the Arabian Sea, they are the Lakshadweep group of islands. They are total 36 in numbers, and these islands are tall types of islands, and it created due to the corals. Second type of island we discuss, that is Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. These Andaman and Nicobar group of islands they found in the Bay of Bengal, and it formed due to the volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions. All these islands they are hilly, and we may find the evergreen rainforest. These group of islands are very important because of their location, strategic location, and that is why these Andaman and Nicobar Islands they are very important for us. Another characteristics that we discuss regarding these Andaman and Nicobar group of islands, that is active volcano. India's only active volcano, that is barren islands that we find in these areas. So this is the physiographical division of India. In last four and this in total four part, we discuss about the physiographical division of India. We discuss Himalayan mountain regions, the North Indian plains, whereas the peninsula region, the coastal plains, and lastly we discuss the group of islands. And all these physiographical division are very important for us. They make their impact physiographically, culturally, socially. All they have their own unique importance as well. Same. Now we are going to discuss the physiographical division of Brazil as well in the next video.